zero and climbing.
What the hell is going on?
We're tracking them.
Enhance that.
Speed 170, still climbing.
Does anybody have any idea what this is?
I do.
Well,
It's the next vet.
Guys, so it's the next day. Anthony's back in the video getting the C6 ready. We are also trying to get the C5 ready for the quarter panels to get done so we can wrap that, and then we'll have basically the whole entire back piece done. So this is where the lines are. We're gonna go with the highest line, and also to show where the wheel was actually gonna hit. This was a terrible cut that we did at the old shop. Word of advice, if you have a Corvette and you know you're on low tires, or you know you're on low tread of tires, just change the tires. Because when you explode or gonna hit a tire, it ain't a good look. So what we're gonna do is cut here. Oh, this is gonna be easy.
Should be a piece of cake.
Bumpers off. Nick's back. He's got coffee. He's got the mocha coffee. I got some coffee. Dre's got the hibiscus tea. Two tea bags. We're ready to go. We got energy. The dudes over at Revline are pumped. It is only 8 o'clock, but it feels like it's 12 because, you know, everybody has to just fast forward the time, you know? Extra hours sleep, but extra hour in the shop. So Andre's gonna have a drift car by the end of 2021.
Absolutely. I mean, I have the 300ZX, the 370.
Ooh.
The 300ZX is the drift car, bro. The 300?
You're gonna wide body that thing.
I know.
It's like
until I wide body it.
E46?
I have, yeah.
M3 is gonna be drifting this year. So we're gonna do the quarter panel today. We just cut this out. I think this is gonna hold up a lot better than the other side or the actual other one because it's not as flimsy since it has some type of structure here. Hopefully we have a good solid piece at the end of the day. The jigsaw worked a lot easier compared to using a grinder. Wow, that looks sick. Looks sick. So this is an alcohol base. This is the pre-prep to the prep of the prep.
Ahora España lo prima dos.
Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the satin black with the bronze wheels. You called it, bro. You called it once I first brought it in. And now, if only we were that flush to the fender.
That would be sick.
Right? It would be sick.
Everything different. But, you know,
Next time you're not going anywhere.
You measure 17 times, man. right, boys and girls, so I think I measured once, drilled 3 times compared to the opposite way, but I mean, to me it looks okay. It doesn't even really look like we're off by much, but I think it's just because it's the opposite side that I'm used to. It looks like it's somewhat similar to the other side. Can't really tell. Kind of looks the same. And the whole top is kind of looking super sick right now. It looks like one color. Love the gloss accent with the satin. Nick's killing it. We work on Sundays.
Go hard, play hard.
No big deal, right? They work in Russia all week, right?
Yeah.
So
28-7.
28-7? Now you're just making shit up. RX-7.
I already forgot. Everybody's saying it's RX-7.
So literally, this at Revline Vinyl, this is the Corvette shop of all Corvette shops.
No, it looks like RX-7.
It does not look like an RX-7, my dude.
It does.
Dre, you think it looks like an RX-7? I think it looks like a Revline Corvette.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
No, if you walk outside, there's like Revline Corvette 06, Grand Sport, C7, C8.
Can I drift all of them?
Yeah, when you learn how to drift.
Ooh. Aw, man, you guys think I'm T-hot, bro?
Oh yeah, it's a high from CJ.
Yeah, CJ.
CJ, GS Motor Club.
Shout out to CJ.
Gotta love them, right? Freaking CJ.
Elaborous.
CJ. Oh, I'm getting you, bro. We're getting CJ back. So we literally got the flares on. Shout out to JDM Fender flares. Car's starting to look a lot better, wider. But we went with the gloss flares, gloss black flares, because we got the gloss black inlays. We also have gloss black here. So it just made sense to shine these bad boys up. So this is what it's looking like. We got a lot of work to do in the interior very soon. We're gonna have to sand this whole entire cage down, spray it, paint it, get whatever. It all nice. Probably gonna try and put the carpet back in, make it all champagne poppy in there. And then, guys, look at that look. Looks absolutely insane. Can't thank the guys over at Revline Vinyl. We are going to finish this Corvette soon. Finalizing the whole entire wrap. It's actually almost done. So obviously the bumpers are the biggest part of the car. It's very meticulous in time. We just got mirrors, like the little things, mirrors, headlight covers, and door handles. And we'll make sure that we get this car drifty very, very soon.
Hi, how are you guys? We in the Revline Vinyl right now. My name is Nikita, and we here with the Flips because cool guy over here. Yeah.
I'm the cool guy.
I think we're done.
This ain't no drift car. This is a skid car. guys, shout out to Rob over at Liquimoly. Thank you so much for taking the trip out here and showing us some of your product. We will be working with Liquimoly for 2021 this year, and we are very excited. Rob?
Thank you. Justin, we're really looking forward to the relationship. We think we're going to have a great season, and we're really excited to see how these products work in your new Corvette here.
Awesome. Can't wait. We'll check back soon and maybe do a podcast. We'll get more in depth with the actual products itself.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Awesome. Thank you for your time, Rob. Take care.
Great.
Alright guys, so I hope we're doing this right. Got some washers all over here. Nick's taking the lead on this now because he says I don't know what I'm doing. This is how our splitter looks. So other than that, we're looking pretty good, Nick.
Yeah, I'm looking pretty good, I know.
You're looking pretty good, bro.
Yeah. Talking about bumper? Yeah, sure.
So obviously, Nick's touch, we got the C7 front emblem, Automotive Aeromotive front splitter, and then now we're gonna put the actual split rods. Don't crash her, Justin. Note to self, do not crash her. Damn. I'm definitely gonna have to make a brace. What are you saying? What? So today we finally got the right gas cap cover. So we needed this like little clip that connects this button in here so you could actually open and close the gas cap. Super pumped that we got this. It only took 15 tries on eBay. Comes with it, it doesn't come with it. Where's the 10 millimeter? It's in my hand. I'm gonna duck out. We're gonna come back on Sunday, finish out the rear bumper, start slapping on some logos for the sponsors, clean the thing all up, get it on the track, and destroy it and bring it back in for a new color. Hey. To that, can't thank the guys over at Revline Vinyl enough. We'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and stay blessed. Like.